Citizens Bank or Charles Schwab Bank, which is better? Find links below. Choosing between Citizens and Schwab depends on your banking needs, investment goals, and preference for in-person or digital banking. Citizens Bank, concentrated in the Northeast and Midwest, offers checking, savings, mortgages, and personal loans. Its strength is its local branches and ATMs, ideal for those who prefer in-person banking and a community feel. Citizens often waives monthly fees with minimum balances or direct deposits, great for budget-conscious customers. They also offer student loan refinancing and specialized mortgage guidance. Charles Schwab Bank, part of the Charles Schwab Financial Group, is known for brokerage services and wealth management. It offers high-yield checking and savings, often with unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide, perfect for travelers. Schwab accounts integrate with your Schwab investment portfolios, simplifying fund transfers and providing consolidated statements. This makes Schwab great for managing daily banking and investments together. While Schwab has fewer branches than Citizens, its digital tools and customer service offer 24/7 convenience. Citizens excels in localized, face-to-face service and diverse consumer loans. Schwab offers competitive interest rates, global ATM fee reimbursements, and integrated brokerage accounts. Prefer in-person banking and live near a Citizens branch? Citizens might be best. Comfortable online and want convenient investing plus no ATM fees? Schwab might be your choice. Your decision depends on your preference for personal contact versus digital tools and your overall financial strategy.